100 words with sentences. Book. I'm reading a good book. Pen. She writes with a blue pen. Table. The table is made of wood. Chair. Please sit on the chair. School. The children go to school every morning. Teacher. The teacher is very kind. Student. Every student must work hard. Bag. He keeps his books in the bag. Mobile. My mobile phone is very useful. Laptop. I use my laptop for work. House. This is my house. Room. My room is clean. Bed. I sleep on the bed. Door. Please close the door. Window. The window is open. Fan. The fan is running. Light. Turn off the light. Key. I lost the key. Clock. The clock shows 7 o'clock. Mirror. She looks in the mirror. Water. I drink water every day. Milk. The baby drinks milk. Tea. Do you like tea? Coffee. He drinks coffee in the morning. Food. The food is tasty. Rice. We eat rice at lunch. Bread. He eats bread and butter. Fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. Vegetable. Carrot is a healthy vegetable. Juice. She drinks orange juice. Father. My father is a doctor. Mother. My mother cooks food. Brother. I have one brother. Sister. My sister is very smart. Friend. He is my best friend. Family. My family is very loving. Uncle. My uncle lives in Delhi. Aunt. My aunt is very sweet. Child. The child is playing. Baby. The baby is sleeping. Car. I drive a car. Bus. We go by bus. Train. The train is late. Bike. He rides a bike. Cycle. The boy rides a cycle. Road. The road is clean. Bridge. There is a big bridge. Airport. The airport is busy. Station. We are waiting at the station. Taxi. I booked a taxi. Sun. The sun is shining. Moon. The moon looks beautiful. Star. The stars are bright. Sky. The sky is blue. Cloud. White clouds are floating. Rain. The rain is heavy today. River. The river is deep. Sea. The sea looks calm. Mountain. We climbed the mountain. Tree. The tree gives shade. Dog. The dog is barking. Cat. The cat is sleeping. Cow. The cow gives milk. Goat. The goat is eating grass. Horse. The horse runs fast. Bird. The bird is flying. Fish. The fish swims in water. Duck. The duck is in the pond. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Elephant. The elephant is very big. Shirt. He wears a blue shirt. Pant. My pant is black. Shoe. My shoes are new. Cap. The boy wears a cap. Dress. She bought a new dress. Ring. The ring is beautiful. Watch. He wears a watch. Belt. The belt is brown. Coat. The coat is warm. Gloves. I wear gloves in winter. Run. Children run in the park. Walk. We walk every morning. Eat. I eat an apple. Drink. She drinks milk. Read. I read a storybook. Write. He writes a letter. Play. The kids play football. Sing. She sings very well. Dance. They dance happily. Sleep. The baby sleeps quietly. Happy. I am happy today. Sad. She is sad. Good. This is a good idea. Bad. Smoking is bad. Big. The house is big. Small. The room is small. Hot. The tea is hot. Cold. The water is cold. Fast. The car is fast. Slow. The old man walks slow.